In this tutorial, we're going to create a cinematic horror effect like you seen in the very beginning of this video. All the video was purchased from Video Blocks. A 6-month subscription was $8 or $9, and they have thousands of stock footage videos at such an awesome price. If you've ever downloaded stock footage from a site, you'll know how expensive it is. But this site, the prices are very, very reasonable for what you're getting for $89 for 6 months, unlimited access to the site. It's just a no-brainer. It's just a great deal. So if you're interested, follow me. So make sure your cursor is at the beginning. Drag your main video track to the first track. Now let's create cinematic bars. So go to Event, Pan and Crop. Make sure Lock Aspect Ratio is unchecked, and that's make the bars. It's good. Now I want to do a split here because we're going to insert a raven. So I'll do it right about here. Hit S key. And put the raven clip. Shorten it. We'll do a 2-second crossfade. See if I can crossfade. And fade the audio down. Now we notice we don't have black bars on here. All you have to do is go to this video footage, right click, copy, click on the video that doesn't have the bars, paste event attributes. Now it does. So now let's go to video effects. Let's look for color curves. There. We're going to select night. Try to get the first track. It's good. Now we have to copy this to the other tracks. So right click, copy, copy to the bird track, paste event attributes, and copy the last track that was split. Paste event attributes. So now they're all dark. Now let's go to soft contrast. And select warm vignette. Try to do the first track. Now it darkens it up quite a bit. So let's adjust the contrast to make it lighter. That's good. You can play with the other effects in this. You can go with blur, black. I think I'm just going to stick with black. So that's fine. So once again, copy, paste event attributes, paste event attributes. Now all the tracks have that effect on it. Yeah, let's go back to my media, project media. I'll grab a sound effect. Crossfade. and fade out. Actually, fade out, not crossfade. Like that. So you play it back, something like this. So that's all you have to do to create a horror effect. Gives it a nice scary look to it. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.